Hello and welcome. My name is Noah Braun, and this is another episode of Tips and Tricks with ProPricer. We'll cover useful tips and tricks to help you leverage your time better and get things priced. Today we'll cover the new data format that is available in the latest version of ProPricer, build 93107. As many of you know, before this update, ProPricer only allowed month and year to be entered at the start and end dates. But with this new release of ProPricer, you can now enter a specific day as a start or end date. This means that your estimates will be more accurate than ever, because shortened months will no longer be priced as full months. Before I show you this update though, let's do a quick review of start and end dates. Start dates and end dates determine when a proposal, task, or resource begins and ends its work. By default, a task uses the dates entered in the proposal level in the proposal properties. And by default, a resource uses the dates entered at the task level. Now let's check out the date type setting in the proposal properties. About halfway down the General tab, you'll see the start and date type field, where you can select the proposal date format. To enter a specific day as your start date, select the day, month, year option here. I should point out that this setting cannot be changed on proposals that have tasks already entered on them. Because of this, it is best to set the date format before the date is entered on the proposal. If you want to change this setting on an existing proposal, give our technical support team a call and we'll help you out. Something else I should point out about the day, month, year format is how it affects the way the proposal is priced. When a resource is automatically spread in a task using a spread curve, and the first or last month is shortened by the start or end date, ProPricer will prorate the spread amount in that month. In other words, if ProPricer is supposed to spread 100 hours in the first month of a proposal, but the start date is in the middle of the month, instead ProPricer will spread 50 hours in that month. Pretty neat, right? I'll show you how this works using two copies of the same proposal. One is sent to month year and the other set to day month year. As you can see, this one is set to month year, and this one is set to day month year. In the day month year proposal, you can see that the spread amounts are prorated in the first month because the start date is in the middle of that month. Now let's see how this affects the price. First, I'll select the month year proposal and click the View Totals in the proposal ribbon. It looks like our price for this proposal is about $1,158,000. Now I'll select the other proposal and click View Totals. And it looks like our price here is about $1,152,000. That's a difference of around $6,000. Now these proposals only have a few tasks, but imagine the difference this would make on a full-length proposal. Okay, so to summarize what we have covered today, the latest version of ProPricer now allows a specific day to be entered as a proposal's start or end date. This new date format allows you to price your proposals more accurately than ever before, because your shortened months will be prorated through our proposal. However, as I mentioned earlier, this can only be done before tasks are entered on the proposal. If you enjoyed today's episode and found it helpful, please share it with your colleagues who use ProPricer. If you have any questions about ProPricer, or even some tips and tricks of your own, please email us directly. Who knows, your tips might just end up on our next video. Again, my name is Noah Braun, and as always, thanks for watching.